For a short-term, temporary caregiver during recovery from a medical incident or situation, a home health agency will offer the services you need. There are many home health agencies in your region that are Medicare qualified and listed on the Medicare site at www.medicare.gov. Your doctor or hospital discharge planner will also have some suggestions. For long-term help with daily activities because of a permanent physical or mental limitation, online resources such as www.caregiverneeded.com can match you with the perfect caregiver in your area. You can also try community resources such as senior centers, churches, or referrals from other families who have been in a similar situation. If you have any further questions, please visit our website at www.caregiverneeded.com or call us at 1-866-999-3227.